Hi guys. So I'm gonna be asking out a question. Comment down below if you want me to make an eatable fidget spinner. The same size as fidget spinners. Or a big one. Like this one. Or like this one, which is all metal. It'll make it eatable. Comment down below which one I should do. I want this video to get 50 likes, not 15, 50 likes. Wait, never mind. Sorry, never mind. I want to try to get this video to go to at least 20 likes. If y'all can make me go on 50 likes, I'll try to sell these. And if y'all don't, get one of these. I'm going to be doing a giveaway of these. So, comment down below, leave a nice comment. Comment down below, leave a nice comment. Subscribe, and like the video. That's all you have to do. Bye.